In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a customer in QuickBooks. QuickBooks doesn't permanently delete customers in most cases, but it allows you to make them inactive so they no longer appear in your active customer list. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can manage your customer records properly. First, log in to your QuickBooks online account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you can access different areas of your business data, such as sales, expenses, reports, and customer management. From the left-hand menu, click on All Apps. Inside the Customer Hub section, you'll see several tabs at the top, including Overview, Customers, and other options. Click on Customers. This page shows the full list of customers currently saved in your QuickBooks account. Here, you'll be able to view all customer profiles along with their contact details, outstanding balances, and transaction history. Now scroll through the list and find the customer you want to remove from your active records. Once you locate the correct customer, look to the right side of that customer's row. You'll see an Action column with a small drop-down arrow. Click that drop-down arrow to open the available options for that customer. From the menu, select Make Inactive. This option is QuickBooks' version of deleting a customer. Instead of permanently erasing the profile, QuickBooks simply removes the customer from your active list while still keeping their historical transactions saved in your system. This is important because accounting software needs to maintain past records for reports, invoices, and tax documentation. After clicking Make Inactive, QuickBooks will display a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to make this customer inactive. Click Yes to confirm your decision. Once you confirm, the customer will immediately disappear from your active customer list. The profile is now inactive and will no longer show up when creating new invoices, estimates, or sales transactions. And that's exactly how to delete a customer in QuickBooks by making them inactive. It's a simple process that helps keep your customer list organized and easier to manage. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more simple and practical QuickBooks tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.